Gemini on Android just became way easier to use, with 2 new features you've been waiting for. First up, chat search. The old chat icon in the top left corner is now a hamburger menu, opening a navigation drawer with a search bar for chats. Type in your keywords and you'll see your last 15 conversations. Pin chats first, plus a continuously scrolling list of your history. You'll also spot shortcuts for new chat and temporary chat, as well as your 2 most recent gems. If you're not seeing it yet, try force stopping the Gemini app, and note that iOS users, you're still waiting on this rollout. Second, direct copy. You can now highlight and copy any part of Gemini's response, just like a normal web page. No more awkward select text mode, although the old option is still in the 3-dot menu. Alongside these, the guided learning tool, or simply Learn, is now live on Android and iOS, showing up near the top of your tools menu. And for Google AI Pro and Ultra users, there is a new image shortcut too. So faster search, instant copy, and better learning tools. Gemini on Android just got a lot smarter. For more tech news, like, share, and subscribe to GadInsider.